Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry there, we went over 15 minutes and I actually should have stopped. So I think this is part 4 of today's analysis. I've been talking too much. So basically, yeah, let me just get to it straight to it. We're just waiting for this low to break. If it breaks, we'll get in for a sell. And I'll keep you posted on this tomorrow as well. AUD, NZD. Okay, bias is to sell, but we can see this pullback and then it didn't break lower, and now we're getting a what looks like a bullish candle on the weekly. So we need to wait and see what happens here. We do not have any confirmation of entering any trades here whatsoever with the strategy that I use. So I'm going to move swiftly on to the next pair. CAD Chef, same scenario as the other pairs. We've hit a crucial resistance area, and now we've made a low here. Okay, so price is just moving between this high and this low, not really breaking in any direction, so we're just going to carry on monitoring. Moving on to the next pair, Euro CAD. Euro CAD is the same situation, as you can see, moving between two price points, not really going anywhere. So we're going to be patient, guys, and we're going to wait for this one as well. Euro NZD is the same situation here. We are hoping to sell this market. We were waiting for price to actually break this low. We did not see that. Okay, and now we have a candle that's open, possibly below, possibly up here. Yes, went down, came back up. So we haven't seen a break of that low yet. We're going to carry on waiting and monitoring. Okay, GBP AUD, GBP AUD. Okay, so this pair, as you can see, that was the low, and then we had this break. We had okay, so I didn't get into this pair as I was explaining that it could turn at this point. As you can see, all you need to do is look a bit towards your left and you can see just taking a sip of my drink there. Yeah, you can see structure towards the left. You can see like highs and lows. Okay, so these are significant points because at these price points market actually turned. So when price actually comes back to these points, either price is going to break through these points or it's going to reverse again. So you really do not want to be trading at these points. You want to be sitting there and watching like a hawk and watching what is happening, and then anticipating, waiting, anticipating, but you don't jump the gun. You do not enter any trade whatsoever until you can get a confirmation in bias and direction, and then your signals and everything needs to check out before you enter. Okay, so this pair, I'm just going to currently leave it. Okay, and I'm going to carry on watching and waiting and planning, and when the time is right, when it's perfect, the trade is there, all signals, everything are checked, then I will enter. Okay, GBP CAD, as I showed you, I marked the tops here. We did not get a break of the tops, and what looks to me like, okay, so that was a low, and then we got this, that was a low. we got a break. Okay, so that's not gonna work. And then okay, there. So okay, so it's completely broken here. So let me just check on the weekly, just to check the price action here. Yes, so this is key support area, as you can see, many times respected, 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 and what looks like it's being respected here. So they are going to be throwing signals, right? Fake signals everywhere. So just to be on the safe side, this is how you would want it, and let's see what happens. So I've marked the very bottom and the very top of current price movement, and I just feel safer like that, because if you look at the weekly, we're at an important area here. The tops and the bottoms here are important because people are trading in between these tops and bottom. So because we're at the bottom now, everyone is anticipating to buy this market. So a lot of people are probably entered the trade already. Me, I do not see anything in my strategy to trade this currently for a buy. I don't see anything. If I was going for a buy, I would have to, price would have to break this high here, and if I was going for a low, then price would have to break this low here. So we're going to move on to GBP Chef. I'm going to leave this pair, GBP NZD. So here we have a possible trade on our hands. Okay, so we got a trade on our hands here. So what I'm going to do here, guys, we got a break of this level here, significant break. I hope that I'm not too late for this, so I'm going to enter a limit sell. Okay, so I'm going to enter right here, 91 9 91 907. So I'm going to be selling at 91 907, 91 907. Okay, so here 91 907, we've got what looks to be like a 112 pip, 125 pip stop loss. So 125 pip stop loss, guys. So it's going to be here, 93, sorry, okay, come on, 93161, 93161. So we're gonna put 93161, 93161, and then we're just gonna place a take profit that we can adjust after we've got into, after we placed the order, which I'm going to just choose 89225, and we're going to enter this trade for a sell. Okay, guys, so 125 pips stop loss, which is £6.54. Now 125 and 125 is 250. Okay, so I'm gonna go for a 2 to 1.